sparkling. Manifest it, write it down, you know it's happening.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my part 1 of the studio tour. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the living room and I'm going to be trying to link everything that I possibly can in the description box below. So definitely check it out. Now, I think you might want to watch the empty house tour before watching this fully set living room, because I just think it would make more sense and it would be more fun to watch it that way. So I will be linking the empty house tour as well. Now let's just get started. So right in front of me is the door into the living room, and once you walk in, this is the first thing that you see. Before we dive in, I think let's start with what's here to the left of me. So this is where the door is, and here I have my shoe rack. It's actually not a shoe rack, it's a clothing rack which I'm using as like my entry piece. So here on top I have all of these hats displayed, which I did in my previous studio as well. The main reason for these hats is to hide all of these like plug points and electric points, so they look cute also and they hide all the wires. Then here we have this tissue box which is used for dispensing masks, surgical masks. And then here I have my DIY, which I showed you in my previous video, and I just keep my sanitizer spray, all of that. Here I also have my evil eye that Anam gave me, and here I always have two bags, one black bag and one white bag. Ulta bola maine, but you get the point. And it's just easy to grab when I'm leaving. Also at the bottom of the clothing rack, we just store our everyday shoes. ये मेरे shoes है और अभी आदित्य आया तो ये उसके shoes है. So to the left of this like hat area is my favorite corner in the entire studio. I haven't been filming here because I was waiting for you guys to like see it in the studio tour. Only then I'll start like filming in front of this. And it is so cute. So basically this is like this cute nook where I've displayed all of my books, kind of like in a rainbow pattern. So we have the green which blends into the yellow, then we have some reds which blends into the pink, and then the black that blends into the blue, and then the light blue. And then right under the books we have this really cute comfy seating area, and I really enjoy sitting here and also sleeping here sometimes. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys this lamp, this really cute lamp that I got from Amazon. I think this was for not above 1000 rupees, I think 500 rupees, but I'll link it down below, so you should check it out. And then यहाँ पर ऊपर we have all of my really pretty money plants right here, which just trail down and they look so nice. So before we move on, just wanted to let you guys know that we do have a birthday week sale going on simbalifestyle.com. So if you add say above 1100 rupees worth products in your cart, by the way it can be anything, it can be stuff from Skion, it can be stuff from Simba, you will get one notebook free. So 1100 rupees के ऊपर एक notebook free. अगर 2200 rupees के ऊपर purchase किया तो 2 notebooks free. अगर 3300 rupees के ऊपर purchase किया तो 3 notebooks free. That's not it. If you make a purchase above 5000 rupees, you will not only get these 3 notebooks, but you will also get our 5-year journal, which is one of our like best sellers. So I'm going to link the website in the description box below, so shop away. So again, moving left of the reading nook, we have the kitchen. This is an open kitchen. I should actually explain to you guys my theme for this studio. I should have done that in the beginning of the video. But basically, this is a colorful theme living room studio. That is my basic aesthetic. I feel like colors. I love colors. I did try to fight that off in my previous studio, and I tried to make it a lot more mature, but I just wasn't feeling it. So I brought back the colorful vibes, but at the same time, I've added a lot of boho vibes as well to kind of make it feel a little bit more mature and put together. So that's the vibe that I'm going for. Now, talking about the kitchen, the first thing that I think you can see is this fridge right here. So this is the fridge that we have here, and again we have these Polaroids, DIY fake Polaroids. Do check out my previous video if you want to know how I did this. And then upar we just have these candles which look very pretty at night. You can't really see them right now. And then we have my plants. I think these are called the air purifier plants. I don't know the scientific name, but yeah, I think that's it. Upar yahan pe we have these cabinets. So actually, fun story behind these cabinets is that these used to be pink. If you go and watch my empty house tour, you'll know that these were pink and I painted them. This is a laminate, so when I do leave from here, I can easily just remove it using thinner. एकदम easily निकल जाता है. So this is like a very temporary solution and it looks also very nice because I didn't really like the pink. जो पहले था थोड़ा सा tacky pink था, तो we covered it up and then I've just displayed all of my pretty bowls and cups and all the pretty crockery. तो यहाँ से platform शुरू होता है and यहाँ पे मेरा छोटा सा breakfast nook है. तो यहाँ पे cereal है जो खत्म हो गया है, so I definitely need to refill it. Then we have some nuts and then some green tea. आजकल I've been really loving green tea, so it's completely stocked. And then पीछे यहाँ पे we have another DIY where I store all of my पानी का bottles. पहले they would just like be lying here and I hated that. So I made this box using like a random IKEA box that I had. And then here we have the painting which I made in a previous vlog. This again goes with the teal vibe. The main reason why it's here is because there's a really ugly plug point here. So I needed to hide that.
Obviously.
Yep. So this is where it sits. So next to this cupboard, we have another cupboard. This house has amazing storage, which I love. And इसमें we just have a bunch of like Tupperware. My mom does send me food, so सारे डब्बे धुल के I keep it here. It's not super organized, I know that. And then here we have all the glasses, like कांच के transparent, non-colorful glasses. तो ये थोड़ा सा नॉन एस्थेटिक कॉर्नर है घर का because you can see probably वो गैस का मीटर and then the aquaguard and then probably the sink full of dishes. It's the morning time, so I still need to get rid of the dishes. But basically यहाँ पे गैस है. And also one more thing that you might have noticed, the pink laminate is still here. We decided not to paint these because these drawers I use every single day, so the paint might chip off and it might look bad. So we decided not to do these completely. यहाँ पे corner में I just have all of my spices, just like basic stuff that I need every day. So this is my cup drawer. This has all of my like pretty plates, the ones that I don't really use every single day. These are only for like videos. और ये है मेरा everyday का drawer. So we have the forks, the spoons, like basic spices again, and then the scissors and then the lighter. So this is the island where you can obviously use this for like chopping and cooking, but I don't really do that. So this, what I thought initially was I could put a bunch of like bar stools underneath and this would be like a nice place to sit. I did actually pay a person also to make bar stools, but that guy disappeared for months. And वो bar stools मुझे कभी मिले ही नहीं. But anyway, so we just decided to drop that idea altogether. यहाँ पे I have kept this really cute macrame and उसके नीचे मैंने marble paper लगा दिया. आदित्य ने marble paper लगाया, मैंने नहीं लगाया. यहाँ पे ये वाला जो granite था, it's the same granite as this one right here, the brown one, which I'm not a fan of. But obviously there's only so much I can cover. There's no way I could have like covered all of this granite. So I just took this one piece and I covered it in marble paper. Again, I'll link that also in the description box below. This macrame thing also I got from Amazon. And then here we have this crate right here, which is like a wooden crate which I got in PR. And here I just keep all of my fruits and things that I eat on a day-to-day, and it's just easy to grab. Again, moving left of the kitchen, we have this seating area right here. Now, if you have watched my previous studio tour, this is very similar to that because the sofa is the same, the pink chair is the same, but I tried to switch it up, make it a little bit more boho. This is a little bit more mature as compared to the rest of the living room. So I think let's start with the curtain at the back. We have these really pretty ruffly curtains, which I feel like these days everyone has. And fair enough, they're so pretty. They're from Amazon. And then talking about the actual couch. So I wanted an emerald green couch and I got it made from the same guy who was supposed to make my bar stools. And I'm so glad that in my previous video also I did not leave his contact information because I don't want anyone to scam you. So I'm not going to be leaving his information, but honestly you can go to any like sofa wala and show him like images from Pinterest, and they have like a fabric book so you can pick whatever color you want. It's not that complicated. So यहाँ पे sofa के बाजू में I have my lamp which used to be in my bedroom पहले, and I just thought this went so well with the boho vibe. And then we have this planter which has another plant right here. So on the sofa we have a bunch of these cushions. These cushion covers are from Amazon. They're so cute. Oh, one more thing, I do want to apologize slightly for the change of the lighting. I had to shut the curtains because I do live on a higher floor. The skyline is very prominent. I do want to protect my address. And then we have a side table which just has an extension cord side में so that people can charge their phones. वो side पे भी है, by the way, मैं बताना भूल गई. And यहाँ पे ये एक basket जैसा चीज है जिसमें we have coasters so that whenever people are like drinking as in coffee, chai, whatever, they can use coasters. And then we have the basic TV ka remote and then AC ka remote right here. So on top right here we have this shelf which I got from IKEA. And we have these two frames right here. So one day randomly I decided to put these fake like leaves inside my frames just for fun, and I actually like the way it looks, so I let it stay. So that's just what is up here. The pink chair is again by the same guy who made the sofa. It is a pretty cute chair. And then we have the center table, which is again from Amazon. I think I got this for like 2,500, 3,000 rupees max. And the top of it is not like in a cute condition at all. Send help, I don't know what to do about it. So basically we used to pack orders on this pehle last year in December, and we ruined the table, so I don't know what to do about it. Then at the center we have this wooden tray almost, which just displays my crystals, and then we have a candle. The candle that I'm burning right now is called Pineapple Mango, and it's by Bath and Body Works. It's a very like daytime summer scent. And the main thing that I love about this like seating area, the reason why I personally feel like it makes it very like comfy and cozy, is this rug. Adding like a nice big rug, especially like a earthy toned rug, makes everything feel very comfy and very cozy. It is a hassle to own a rug because you have to like upkeep with it. I do get this shampoo washed quite a few times, so that's what is sitting underneath us. And then we have these poofs from Amazon again, just acts as extra seating. Oh, and on this side of the sofa we have another chair which is from Amazon again more seating. Moving left of the pink chair we have this curtain right here. It's the same curtain as the one behind the sofa, and यहाँ पे there's a passageway. Left side में है glam room, right side में है bedroom. वो video आएगा बाद में. Here we have this bookshelf. This is actually a bookshelf which I've used to display all of my heels right here. This used to be in my walk-in closet, but unfortunately, I'm so glad the way everything turned out. I love this house so much more, even though it's much smaller actually as compared to the last studio. I love it a lot more. So this sits right here in the living room, and then moving left we have this neon sign which says it was all a dream, because it was, and it just sits so perfectly between this bookshelf, and then we have some more bookshelves right here. So here I again keep all of my purses. I think last जो मेरा वीडियो था स्टूडियो नहीं वॉक-इन क्लॉजेट, उसमें भी ऐसे ही डिस्प्ले रिमेन्स द सेम, सो उसका पोजीशन हिल गया है. यहाँ पे मेनली सारी पर्सेस है, बट यहाँ पे ये वाला शेल्फ मैंने ले लिया है मेरी सारी बुक्स रखने के लिए, इजी एक्सेस है. एंड देन यहाँ पे डम्बल्स है, रैंडम चीज है, यहाँ पे चार्ट पेपर्स है, मेरा योगा मैट है. ओ यहाँ पे दिस इज द मेन थिंग, वी हैव दिस पिंक ट्रंक, ओके, एंड दिस ट्रंक हैज ऑल ऑफ माय बोर्ड गेम्स. तो यहाँ पे सारे बोर्ड गेम्स है, काफी सारे बोर्ड गेम्स है यहाँ पे. एंड देन हियर थोड़ा सा DIY का सामान भी आ गया है. आई हैव बीन रियली obsessed with DIY, so a lot of DIY supplies right here. We're almost done with the video. एक last section बचा है which has recently become one of my favorites. So ये है पूरा TV area. Actually before that, show them the light right above me. This also is an Amazon find. Again goes really well with the boho aesthetic that I was going for. And रात को it actually looks very pretty. Like when you switch off all the white lights, this is the only light which is on. It just gives a very pretty yellow vibe. Okay, so the tables right here, the tables like chest of drawers that we have are from IKEA. It's called the Malm. It's from the Malm collection. Actually, I should open up the drawers in here and show you what's in here, because I personally am very nosy and I like to see what is inside people's drawers. So I'll show you what's in there. So left वाला जो first drawer है वो लग रहा है messy है, बट नहीं है मैसी. यहाँ पे सारे मास्क है, यहाँ पे लाइक एवरीडे थिंग्स है, मतलब जैसे अपना सेल्स, फेविक्विक, ऑल ऑफ दैट. देन हियर वी हैव द थैंक यू कार्ड, सिम्बा एंड स्कियोन थैंक यू कार्ड, बिकॉज आई नीड टू साइन देम एवरी डे. सो दिस इज वेयर इट सिट्स. देन वी हैव एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड्स, एंड देन वी हैव सम लाइक बेसिक पेपर वर्क दैट आई नीड. ये वाला जो ड्रॉर है राइट वाला, वो खुलता नहीं है पूरी तरीके से, एंड इट्स सपोज टू बी मैसी. सो दिस इज मेरे बैग्स, reusable bags का drawer. काफी handy आता है. If you don't already have a drawer full of bags, make one and make it near the door so it's easy to like grab. So this just has all the blankets and chaddars in case anyone comes over. I have like fresh clean chaddars. And then यहाँ पे we have towels. Again these are for like the guests. I don't use these. And then some more bed sheets. अच्छा ये है मेरा DIY drawer. It is messy. It's supposed to be messy. So let's not talk too much about it. Moving to the left. We have all of my electronics. Now this is also messy. I should have organized it before this video, but it's okay. You guys get to see how it actually looks. So on top of this table, we have a bunch of like knickknacks. I honestly thought that I wouldn't keep any sort of knickknacks in this house because it's very easy to like clean and it's just a lot of mess. But for like props, for like my backdrops, it is a necessity. And most of these are DIYs. Like this one is a DIY, this one is a DIY, this one is a DIY. This one is a DIY. This is just some pampas grass right here, and then that is a DIY as well. This is also a DIY. Here I just keep my Polaroids, and then we also have Alexa right here, and then here is the TV. That's actually basically it. Oh, one more thing that I wanted to tell you. What I was thinking is, I'm gonna get a projector screen. यहाँ से ऊपर से I can pull it down and it will cover the TV, and I can like sit here and film because all of this is really cute. So I was thinking if I could just cover this up, I can actually sit here and film videos. So what I usually have to do is I have to take all of these things and put them on the floor and then sit on the floor. So that was an idea that was in my head. If I do end up executing it, you'll see it in my vlogs. Before we end the video, let's take a break for today's giveaway. Taking a small giveaway break. So this is what today's giveaway looks like. All the rules are mentioned on the screen. I'm also going to leave them in the description box below. So definitely check it out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I personally love this studio. I hope you guys like it as well. Do let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!